This is how you're going to buy Elementor Pro. So step one is you're going to go to Elementor's official website. So open your browser and then go to elementor.com and then always use the official site to avoid scams. Step two is you're going to choose a plan. Click on pricing at the top of your screen and then you will see options like hosting for WordPress, WooCommerce bundles, enterprise plans, and Page Builder Pro plugin. Read the features under each plan to see what fits you. The main difference is number of websites you can use it on and also the features that comes with it. Now, you just choose whatever is perfect for you. So for me, I'm just going to choose hosting for WordPress. And then from here, you will see the plans that they currently have. So under your chosen plan, just click on buy now, depending on what you want. So as you can see under the hosting for WordPress plans, I have the Host Cloud, Host Cloud Plus, Host Cloud times 3, and then Enterprise as well. So in order for you to buy, you're just going to click on buy now. And then from here, you will create or log into your Elementor account. You will just have to and create your account, enter your name, your email, and then your password as well. And then from here, you're going to complete your purchase. You're going to enter your billing address such as your first name, your last name, your email, country and region, addresses, your city, postal code, company name, and then your VAT. And then from the left side of your screen, you will see this purchase summary. You can see there your bank details that you're gonna have to use. So you're just gonna have to go to enter your credit and debit card or PayPal and then enter your billing info and then just click on pay now. And in WordPress, once you have completed your purchase, just open your Elementor and then that's it. You will now have features of the Pro plans. And that's it. That is how you're going to purchase the Elementor Pro. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.